In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Slack webhook in just 5 minutes. Whether you're automating tasks or sending notifications, a Slack webhook can be incredibly useful for staying on top of everything. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the Slack website. You're going to want to make sure you're logged into the right account to keep things smooth. If you're not already signed in, you can easily do so by clicking on Sign In with Google. This is a quick way to access your account without having to remember another password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Slack dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your Slack activities and settings. Spend just a minute to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here in a while. From here, you'll locate your profile. Click on it. This is your personal settings area within Slack where you can adjust various options based on your needs. After entering your profile settings, the next step is to click on Account Settings. This section allows you to manage how your account interacts with other applications, like connecting with web-based services or apps. In your account settings, you'll see an option labeled API. Click on this as we are going to use Slack's API capabilities to set up our webhook. APIs allow Slack to communicate with other software, making your work integration seamless and efficient. Now we'll create a new app. This is quite straightforward. Just find the Create New App option and click on it. A new app within Slack is essentially a container for your webhook functionalities, among other things. Once the app is created, it's time to activate incoming webhooks. Incoming webhooks are what allow external applications to communicate with your Slack, sending information directly to your channels. Making sure this is activated is crucial for the connection with the third-party tools you want. Remember, the key here is to ensure each step is completed successfully before moving on to the next. This will help to avoid any potential issues down the line. Once you've activated incoming webhooks, you'll have completed the setup for your Slack webhook. Now your Slack can interact dynamically with other apps and services based on your specifications. That's it, you've successfully set up a Slack webhook in just a few simple steps. With this powerful feature, you'll enhance your Slack's functionality and improve your workflow efficiency. Thanks for joining this tutorial and happy slacking. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.